RAM upgrade on Lenovo 80V0500 and 10's laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Sheila, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Upgrading the RAM on a laptop is a wise and practical choice that significantly enhances performance, speed, and multitasking capabilities. More RAM allows the system to handle multiple applications simultaneously, reducing lags, slowdowns, and crashes when running resource-intensive programs such as gaming, video editing, and software development. It also improves overall efficiency by enabling faster data access and smoother workflow, making everyday tasks thicker and more responsive. Whether for work, study, or entertainment, a RAM upgrade is a cost-effective way to extend the lifespan and usability of a laptop, ensuring it stays fast, efficient, and reliable for years to come. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. RAM upgrade is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your RAM upgrade. To follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.